So just a few days ago, I guess I did another product by these guys, Maectech, and it was a DJI battery grip handle, which I love. I have to say, I've had it connected to the camera all the time. I just don't take it off. So when they reached out to me about that battery grip, which just so you guys can see it, here it is. They asked if I wanted any other thing, and I was like, I don't know. So I was like, "Hey, maybe this is their 4 suction cup car mount." So I was like, sometimes, you want that shot from outside and you want that, place to stick it and get those cool shots. We have a slingshot, and I was like, "You know what? It'd be kinda cool to be able to stick this to the front or stick this somewhere out over the back to get some shots," because there's not a lot of places on the rear of the slingshot to really mount like a 360. So I was like, sure, send that. We'll take a look. Why not? Anyways, you're gonna see this is a packing list here, but we're gonna go inside and take a look. And of course, what we're gonna do is later on this weekend, I'm gonna go out, put this on the car, and of course, see if it falls off. I guess that's my goal. Anyways, this is the box. So suction car mount, right? For those of you that are crazy, maybe you're doing car reviews. I don't know. Maybe you're doing car reviews and you're like, you know what? I need some crazy angles off to the side. So I need something that's gonna stick there. I honestly thought the box was gonna be bigger, but no. Anyways, use your manual. I'm pretty sure it says stick it to the car, right? Wipe it down, super clamp it, install it. You have a weight limit, so don't put like a full size uh camera on there. As you can see from the front picture, they had like a Insta360 saw camera on there, which is what I'm going to use, right? For sure. That's my goal. Anyways, we have a few little things here. Hopefully it's not too complex. I'll leave that just here, just so I can have it. Cleaning cloth, because you want to clean down the surface of where you're doing it. Plus, why not have a couple for whatever? They do come with some wet wipes, which is good. But if you're going to be using these a lot, my recommendation is just buy a whole bunch of wet wipes that have in your vehicle at any given time. And we have whack load of parts. Yes, not too many, but enough. So let's just put there. Now, here's the one thing I do wish that this came with. I wish it did come with a bag, so that at the end of the day, you could stick all this in a bag and, have it all packaged yourself. That would be nice. That's my only goal, my gripe, that, now I got all this stuff just floating around, and I don't want it floating around. I don't. Anyways, what do you get here? You get a whole bunch of adapters, and these aren't that expensive for this little mounting kit. Not too bad at all. So, all right, you get a whack load, and here's the other bonus. From the price that you get this, you get a whole bunch of cool little things, right? That you could be like, I'm going to use this. This is like a little friction iron, like an Insta360 friction pole. The Insta360 one probably costs as much as this whole kit does, and you get a little one like this, which would work like a champ, and you get all the other stuff. Plus, you get like, I don't even know what this is, right? This is another ball head clamp for you to connect everything, right? Plus this, which is gonna go, somewhere. Anyways, I need to look at this to figure out how this goes together. So you got 2 feet, foot 1, foot 2. Yes? Now each of these have a little base to help keep the base clean, right? When you're not using it. So you take those off at any given time to suction mount them. Okay, I'm with you. They both look the same, so it doesn't really look like there's necessarily a forward and a back. Then you have this fella here, and my guess is this fella screws in to this. Okay, so far I'm just following the picture. That's about as far as I'm going. All right, we got picture, excellent, which goes into this fella. This is your clamp, so we're going to loosen this, yes, to get this ball in here. So we just need to loosen it enough. And again, the majority of this you and I could do. Well, we're doing it now, so we wouldn't really have to do it ever again. Just tighten it when we get there, right? Okay, so we got 2 balls being clamped. Hey, if it's consensual, do your thing, right? Do your thing. And then you got this guy coming into this guy. So I'm guessing this fella here. Yes, maybe is my guess. Yes, this guy is coming into this. Okay, because it's a ball head. So you're gonna snug that there. This is going on to here, right? Which can extend, which then this clamps onto once you get this, right? Because that's the one thing that you always forget is you need, see that? Yes, I hold it up here. There we go. Right? And then it does have a like a GoPro style mount, or this is a standard like quarter inch. So you could, of course, just put your like Insta360 or whatever straight on that. But you could also just put this on there. So if you wanted to mount your GoPro or whatever, or if you had a quick release mount or whatever it is, you put that up there. Look at that. I'll just stick it like that. There we go, right? Rockstar. And then you know what? Just you throw that in the back of the car and everything's bendable. Yes. So when you're ready to go, these have little suction cup guys. Now, I don't know if I can suction cup to this table because this table isn't like great, but you push and you spin. And you see, I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll do that again. So and again, this table's not great because it's kind of textured. So you push down right on it, and then it's red in there, and then you spin, and it locks at green. Same thing with this one, right? Locks at green. Same thing with, actually, no, see, it doesn't stick good here because again, textured, which means air gets in. But I think that'll work good. I wish I had something here. Anyways, we have this all rigged up somehow. Yes, you can angle this so that it gets in where it's supposed to. Yes, yes. We're gonna go out to the car. We're gonna mount it maybe on the hood, maybe on the back, maybe on the back. We'll see. We're gonna go maybe out to a parking lot. We're gonna drive around, maybe do a donut or two. We'll see. If Monique comes with me, then no. If she's not, then maybe. And we'll see if we can get some shots. Okay, let's go do that. Okay, so this isn't actually the car that I'm going to be taking out. That is right there. We're going to play around with that in a minute. But I wanted to see how well this actually stuck if you wanted to mount this on a door or something like that. So again, we just want to make sure everything's nice and tight on here. And if we wanted to get a shot of the back, so now normally of course we would clean this, right? But let's just make sure everything's in red zone first. So if we had this on, like so, see it's already stuck pretty good. So you just gotta push and lock, push, lock. And then you get these. Hoping you guys can see this okay. Let's just take a look. No? Yes? No? Let's just tilt it down a little bit more. Hopefully I got this so I can monitor kind of what I'm doing. Yeah, so then you take these, of course. Again, same idea, right? Pop, pop. And then you just make sure all this stuff is snugged up, right? So you just make sure these are nice and tight, which they're not on tight quite right now. So I'd want to make sure they were snug before. But, like, I don't want to pull hard, but, like, I can pull my own weight on there right now. So I don't think it'd be, like, any issue. Again, I want to make sure you guys can see this. There you go, way better. So, there it is, right? So, here, pull. Well, those aren't moving at all. Definitely not moving. That's pretty okay, I think. Right? Hopefully you guys saw that already. You know, and then when you want to take them off, you just turn that and they loosen. As you can see, hopefully you can see that. They just loosen right up. Yes. And then they have these little pull tabs. You just unstick them. Okay, I think that's gonna be all right. I think that's gonna be very good, actually. Okay, so that's gonna end up going over here. right on here. Now it's a little dirty, so I'm going to have to clean it. But I think, you know, if you want to get some cool shots, you could mount this kind of up here just to get a nice shot up on this, right? Just something like this, right? Like that. That would be cool. You could get it on the front of the car. And what I also think I might do, with the slingshot, it doesn't have, yeah, that sticks pretty good. Slingshot doesn't have a lot of space in the back, but I think you could possibly get them just kind of in like this. You don't have to set them up like perfectly, right? So if I had these and I spun those, again, they're a little dirty. It's dirty right now. But yeah, see, even that's sticking. So I just kind of get those in spot. Yeah, you gotta watch. It's gotta be clean, right? So this one right now is not clean. And it's kind of right where there's a decal. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe down here, right? Hard for me, I got this on my hat. So there's a decal here. So it doesn't like that. It wants to be on the paint. So I'd have to figure out how to mount this on the back. But I do think it's doable to get this out so that you can get this like off the side, like over here. So I may be able to do it if I can figure out where to stick this, but I definitely want to clean it. Definitely want to clean it a little bit, because on the slingshot, we just don't, the decals just don't have that suction, right, to get it, that suction to hit. But it could also be good too, because we could use just a single. So a lot of times too, what I'll do is I'll clamp a mount on here, and then of course, if I want it back here, you should have a support clamp. So I could take this one off, or this piece off here, and just use this as a support clamp so that it's not going to go anywhere. So maybe we'll try that too, just to see. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Okay, I'm gonna get some extra stuff, and we'll actually go to a parking lot and try this out. All right, so I got my friend Jess. She's scared a little bit, maybe a little bit, but we have an X5 on here. This is all nice and clean now. Hopefully you guys can see that, nice and clean. It's all locked on, and we're gonna go burn some donuts. see how this goes. I'm gonna break the law a little bit. Shh, don't tell anybody, because I can't have this camera on if I have that helmet on. So we're gonna hope all goes well. Nice open park lot, nobody else here. Okay, trying to figure out which way I like to turn best. I think I like to turn best that way. All right. Okay. Doing all right, Jess?
Doing good.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mount held on.
It did.
Mount held on. So that's pretty good.
Yeah.
You didn't fall out.
Nope.
So that's also good. So I'm gonna mount it in one more spot, and we're gonna see how it does there. Hold on. All right, in theory, I think it's all good. I think. Yep. We seem to be attached, Jess. We seem to be. Really, if it starts flailing about, then we know. Drive, thank you. Not as aggressive, but I don't think. Well, maybe, we'll see. I'd say it's a winner.
Why? so too.
I'd say that's a total win. Total win. Total win. It is firmly placed. Anyways, let's pop those off. Again, they come off pretty easy. Like that. And sort of easy. There we go. Total win. Total win. All right. This is me and Jess. Here's Jess. And if you guys want to check this company out, links down below. All right, guys, I'm out. Later.